Good morning. So in this experiment using Arduino, we are simulating a four-way traffic light, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Whenever one is on, the other three will be off, and when other is on, other three will be off, and so on. It will continue. The code is written, and we'll see about this simulation. So I increase the time for green light to stay for 10 seconds, and the yellow light will stay for 5 seconds, and the red light will stay for 10 seconds. So see, after 10 the yellow light for the first part, yellow, and then red, and then as soon as red it will become green again, and when it's for 10 seconds for green and red, and for yellow 5 seconds are there, and then red. As soon as the second one becomes red, the third one activates, third one will become green for 10 seconds, the third one will stay green, and then it will be yellow one. Then yellow one will stay for 5 seconds, and then again red one will come for 10 seconds. As soon as red one will become it will become red, it will start to green. It third one will become green. For 5 seconds yellow, and so on it will continue. That's just a small implementation of Arduino. We can use Arduino for that. Thank you.